Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I shot this photograph using the MagMod XL. So today we are in this gorgeous location here in Yorkshire in the UK, not Lancashire, a bit of a change for today. So first up we are shooting on Sony A9 with the 85mm 1.8 lens. I'm also using the AD600 with the X2T trigger. So the AD600 is a Bowens mount, which is what the MagMod XL comes with as standard. So we're just going to slot that in there. And I'm actually going to pop a grid on now because I'm actually going to ask my lovely model for today, Georgie, to take this out with her. So this is the MagGrid XL, the 40-degree beam angle, and that just, like a magnet, fits on there. Okay, Georgie. If you head out there, if you can take this with you, you actually, I don't know how you're going to manage this actually, because I'm just going to get you to take the steps out as well. So the idea for today's video is I'm going to ask Georgie to just go and step on the rock that you might be able to see kind of in the middle of the lake, and she's going to take this little stool with her to stand on the stool on the rock, then hopefully it'll look like she's floating on water. But she's just going to deposit this on her way out there because she's got flip-flops on. It's probably actually quite heavy for Georgie there. Absolute superstars. Oh, that's deeper than I thought. That did not look that deep from here. Georgie is here, and I'm actually going to shoot from all the way over here. So it's a little bit treacherous. Oh. Chin round towards that flash a little tiny bit more. Yeah, perfect. And then after 3, we're going to throw the dress. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and hold the dress a bit further down, then you've got room to throw. And then a nice delicate throw. 1, so chin up that way. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3.
You'll notice that I'm asking Georgie to turn her face towards the light and the body away from the light, and that's because it's the most flattering angle. I've also removed the sky from the image as well, as this was distracting.
Little bends in the elbows to make them feel soft. And nice big throw with the left hand. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And after 3, 1, 2, 3. Yes. One, 2, 3. Nice, Georgie. Oh yeah, that's really, really nice. In fact, I'll just have a couple like that actually, Georgie, if that's all right. So chin up towards that light again. Just turn your body a little bit more this way. A bit more. Can you still see the light? Nice. Okay, just a couple more like this. Perfect, okay. Just lower it a tiny little bit. Yeah, there's perfect. Hips this way. Hips that way. Perfect, Georgie. And then throw it after 3. Oh yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
As you can see, we've now moved the location, and as we were shooting here we noticed that if Georgie moved it created like a puddle around her. So we've actually asked her to bounce up and down to create these circles in the water, which really makes a difference.
Yes, and then bend that front knee across you. Went a bit giddy. That looks so nice, Georgie. And bouncing up and down. And bouncy, bouncy. I am so pleased with everything that we've got today. I genuinely cannot thank my good friend Neil Ridley for filming this video for me and for actually wading into the water, no questions, straight in there, and to my lovely model Georgie for modelling for us today. She's been absolutely awesome. She's probably out there for probably a solid 30 minutes or so. It's probably a bit unfair, but she's been absolutely brilliant. She's just getting warm now. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are my favourites from today's shoot.